it is most definitely IFR at hashtag Vertiport Africa. And the delivery man's just been, and look what he bought. Surprise, big surprise for me. It is a Cube Gold. So it's just amazing. So thanks. Look at the people on the box. uAvionix, Hex, and Profi CNC. Never heard of it. No, thank you so very much. What's it say here? Well, the cat's even coming to look. Hi, congratulations just for you. Our gold limited edition of the Cube. It's all the same features as a Cube Orange, plus a shiny gold case. And so it does. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I can't look at the camera and look at this. Unboxings I don't do I? Wow. Thanks so very much. Oh, there we are. Golden. And look, it's got the antenna. So it's the one. This is the carrier board with built-in ADS-B. So if you don't know much about these things, that's the autopilot there, and that's the Cube, and that's the bit that speaks to the world or connects to the world. I guess is, well, let's see what's in here. I don't actually know what's in here. Oh, I'm not gonna go nuts doing this because I can't do it one-handed. But there we are. Wow, thank you so very, very much. Better video to follow. Okay, supplementary video, because I know people will moan that I didn't open the next bit of the box. What was in the rest of the box for the Cube Gold, baby, Cube Gold. Well, there's the ADS-B parameters. There's the antenna there for the built-in uAvionix ADS-B receiver. So it's ADS-B in, and that's in here, in this bottom part here, in the carrier board. Remember, that was the autopilot, that's the carrier board. So that's in there. So the settings for that, the basic wiring, and then there are wires, various power cable. That is for powering the autopilot in line with your drone battery. What's cables? Oh, look at this. There is a buzzer, and I happen to know that the Ardupilot devs have recently put some banging tunes up, so I'll be able to listen to that as it goes along. And this, I'm hoping, I could be wrong, I need to read this bit of paper, so this next information could be wrong. I'm hoping this is a USB extension that when this is plugged in, I can talk. I can leave this buried in an airframe, although I don't know that I'm going to fly it. It's too nice. I'm absolutely going to try the ADS-B receiver out and compare and contrast it with the commercial receiver that I have here. It won't do as well because I've got an antenna on the roof versus that antenna there, but it would be good enough for you. So what this means is in flight, if this detects an aircraft at ranges you can set up, then you can get your machine to do an action based on what you tell it to do. But of course, we are in another lockdown here, and the air traffic has just fallen away, so hardly anything comes overhead at the moment. My flight aware is telling me every day that it must be broken because it's not receiving anything, but it's just because there's no traffic. But I will try. I'm going to definitely compare and contrast. So I'll put Ardupilot onto this, and that will then give me all the wonderful ADS-B stuff. What else is in here? You see, I don't do unboxings, as you know. I'll say standard old USB. Oh, that's for adding lots of I2C stuff to it, I think. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it's for. More GPS and power cables, some sticky stuff, and yeah, oh, what a professional unboxing it is. Just amazeballs. So this is a standard set, a Cube standard set with ADS-B, and they are all standard now. Profi CNC and Hex, along in partnership with uAvionix, have basically absorbed the cost of ADS-B in for users of the Cube Autopilot system and this carrier. I hope I've put that correctly. So I'm absolutely gobsmacked. I'm amazed this has arrived again. So thanks very much, Profi CNC, uAvionix, and Hex. I am humbled, and I don't want to fly it. I guess I'm going to have to. Anyway, thanks very much. Supplementary video ends.